Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super cute blue eye look. It's so easy and it's so cute. So first we're going to start off with this Colourpop eyeshadow in the color Moonlight, I believe. And we're going to take this on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to put this all over my crease. So I'm just going in with the color. I'm going in with these wind wiper motions, trying to build it up to that 2000s baby blue kind of vibe. Okay, so now I'm going in with the color Tide Pool. This is from Colourpop. I'm actually using the She's a Rainbow palette, but I'm pretty sure you could get these as singles. So now I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna pack this onto my lid. I'm actually watching a movie right here. I can't do my makeup silently. I don't know why. It's just never been the vibe for me, but I am actually watching the movie Visions on Netflix. It's so good. I love scary movies. So right here, I'm just taking a makeup wipe and wiping off any fallout, sharpening up any edges, getting everything out of my eyes, any crusties. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the color Light Beige. I'm just going to dab some of this under my eyes and blend it out. This is going to be the perfect base for our color to grab onto. Okay, so now that everything's nice and blended, I'm just going to take that first color Moonlight and pack it under my eye. I am weighing out the shadow a little bit just to connect it with the rest of the look, just so everything is nice and seamless. Now we're gonna go back in with Tide Pool and I'm just gonna put that like on the outer edges of my eyes because it has metallic in it, so it'll give it a nice little pop. And something crazy must have been going on in this movie because I cannot stop watching it. Right now I'm just going in and fixing any little mistakes, blending out anything that I see, and then I'm just gonna continue on the other eye. Okay, now I'm just going in with some clear lash glue and I'm just gonna make just a little stripe, I guess you could say, above my eyes. We're not taking it all the way out, we're just focusing more on the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going in with the holographic silver glitter from NYX. It's a nice chunky glitter, and the way it reflects is so beautiful, and it goes perfectly with this blue look. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just gonna finish my face, and then I'll be right back to do our under eyes. For our under eyes, I'm just going to take the lash glue again, and I'm just going to focus more on our outer corners, following the same kind of winged out shape that we got going on. And I'm just going to take the same glitter and just pack it on. If you guys want any details for what I used on my face, please comment below and let me know, and I could do a separate video or just tag it in the description box. Once the lashes come on, I swear the bad bitch in you is just tingling, girl. I'm just taking my little toothbrush, trying to fix my little hairs, because that stupid piece of hair on my forehead was just bugging me all day. It would not lay straight. But I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the final look. It's a 2000s baby girl vibe, you know what I mean? Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, all of that. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.